Hello, my name is Robert Reed. I work with a Louisville digital marketing agency right here in Louisville, Kentucky. And I was doing some research in my area and I came across your advertisement on Facebook. And it was real intriguing. I used to have a drone, so I know what you're doing. Those drones are amazing. So I figured you could probably use some help. So I wanted to shoot this video so I could show you what we could do and how we could basically not just get you leads, but get you paying customers that are ready to pay for your service. So I didn't want to waste your time or waste my time either. So by the end of this video, if you like what you've heard, and you can tell I have a lot of strategies to help grow your business, and it's something that you're looking for, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Feel free to take the tips that I've given you and use them for yourself. The 3 tips I'm going to do is content. Well, first of all, you need a website to do this. Here is a website in Louisville that I found of your competitor, and he's got quite a bit of traffic coming through and his website, and I could get you the same amount of traffic and paying customers that this guy has, because it wouldn't take much to rank over and above him. Here is a tool that we use. It's called Ahrefs. Basically, just one keyword, drone photography near me, is bringing in over right here over 1,100 people coming in, and it's relatively easy to get this. It wouldn't take much to do it. The website that I just showed you, this one right here, is actually ranking pretty good. They've got 11 people coming in, and they've got 68 keywords that we could use these same keywords and probably put another 100 keywords on your website, and we could get this ranking over 100 people a month. That's every month. So basically there's not a whole lot of trouble to get this to rank above this. And here's another company in Louisville, and they're not even hardly ranking at all. They're getting probably a little bit less than the other people. So there's thousands of people looking for this, and there's really no websites that are making use of the resources out there to draw customers into it. Whatever you're doing right now, we would triple and double it based on what kind of traffic that's coming in to these websites. But you basically need a website first of all. And when people are searching, if you search for drone photography Louisville, Kentucky, you go down through here and there's all the people that are vying for that spot, and we could make you on top. That's that one website that I just showed you. And then another one is Louisville drone photography is another keyword, and these are right there on the keywords. These are all based on those keywords. Thumbtack has quite a few people on Thumbtack. Brian Bohannon is on the top. He must be paying a lot of money to be at the spot, but he's charging about $250, and then of course you do the prices. He's charging $350. Now, the most important thing on building first of all, you have to have a website, and second of all is having at least 1,500 words on the front page stuffed with keywords. Now, these keywords, as you can see, are the things that drive people into your website. So people searching for drone photography in Louisville would automatically come up. If you had a website, it would come up as your website. And that would be the first person they would call, because you would be relevant to what they're searching for. And so we would build a website. It would be based on keywords, and those keywords would be driving the traffic in. So the other thing is backlinks is the second thing that we try to rank for. Backlinks are really easy to get. This one has 120 with 69 referring domains. It's just 69 people that are going from their website to your website. And this makes it important to Google to search to have these backlinks on there. So 69 is not hard to get at all. And of course 11 traffic is not even really that great, but it could be really, really good after we got done with it. So the third thing is citations, and it's basically having people like Yellow Pages, Facebook, all these different directories referring back to your website. So by using a website and getting backlinks from other websites to help you rank higher, and having directories referring back to you, you would be able to draw in a lot of traffic. And the traffic would go to paying customers. We would be driving paying customers. So the big question is, are you wanting to get more paying customers and have people drive traffic to your website so that you could have more business to do? Or do you have just too much business right now? So that's the question you got to ask yourself. We can do it. We can make people come to your website, and they're true paying customers. So if you're interested in that, please give me a call. If you're not, that's no problem. No harm, no foul. This is how you do it, and we'd be glad to do it for you. And if you want to chat more, fine. I'll be glad to sit down and chat with you about the possibility of having more paying customers come into your site. And we do this all the time. We know what we're doing when it comes to this, and we can make you the hero. So if you want, just give us a call, and we'll be glad to talk to you. Thank you.